Tired of heat damage? Say hello to your new favorite styling secret, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set in gorgeous sunset tie-dye. This revolutionary kit helps you achieve beautiful, frizz-free curls overnight, all without a single hot tool. The extra-long 34-inch satin rod is incredibly comfortable to sleep in, transforming your hair effortlessly while you dream away. This complete set includes the luxurious heatless curling rod and 2 matching satin scrunchies, making styling both easy and super chic. Simply spend 5 minutes wrapping your hair before bed and wake up to a perfect overnight blowout, saving you precious morning time. Unlike traditional curlers, Kitsch's original design prioritizes both comfort and stunning, long-lasting results every single time. Ready for easy, damage-free hairstyling? This heatless curler is a true game changer for anyone seeking healthy, beautiful curls. Click the link in the description below to get your Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set on Amazon today. Say goodbye to heat damage and hello to your best hair yet with this absolute must-have beauty tool.